Welcome to uKnowva HRMS Foundation course series. In this guide, we'll explore how to access, create, edit, and manage reports and views to streamline your data analysis and reporting processes. Let's get started. To access reports, navigate to the Reports menu in the left side panel. This opens an interface displaying a list of default reports. To search for a specific report, use the search field at the top of the page. Enter keywords and click Search to filter the list. The Most Used Reports section highlights frequently accessed reports for quick reference. To view a report in detail, click on its name. This opens the report with options to add a new report, edit, export, or filter the data. For more details on these functionalities, refer to the articles on adding a new report, editing a report, and exporting a report. A view is a customized way to display data from your database. To create a new view, scroll up the report page and click the Create New View button. You'll see two tabs. First is the Create New View for creating a new view entirely from scratch. Enter a view name. Write in SQL Query in the Enter Select Query field to define the data to include. Check the Update Existing View box if you're editing an existing view. Click Save View to create the view. Second tab is the Create from Existing View that lets you create a modified view from existing views in the system. Enter a view name. Select a data source from the drop-down menu. Choose specific data source columns. Click here to preview the SQL query. Click Save View to create the new view. To create a new report, click the Add New Report button at the top right corner of the reports page. In the new interface, fill in the following fields. Title to add a unique name to your report. Report description lets you describe the purpose of the report. Report category to select a category from the drop-down list. Filter by adding keywords to filter data. Access group and exclude user group lets you define who can view or is restricted from accessing the report. Click the Settings button to configure advanced options. Group by to organize data by specific columns. Decrypt columns to decrypt sensitive data if needed. Custom Where clause to add custom SQL conditions. Deploy as API lets you toggle to Yes to generate an API token and URL for external access. This allows other systems or applications to fetch report data programmatically, enabling seamless integration with third-party tools. Use the Schedule report to set up automatic delivery via email or SFTP. Scheduling reports ensures that stakeholders receive updated data at regular intervals without manual intervention. Toggle the Send Individuals button to Yes if you want to send reports to individuals on emails on a set time, date, or day and customize such a report accordingly. As the new interface opens, select the day and month. Select time in terms of hour and minutes. Select the fields you want to include in this report. You can also customize this email from the same window by first adding more email IDs in the email. Then, select the CC user, subject line, record limit of the entries to include in the report, selecting fields for the Excel to add or attach. Then move ahead and draft a proper email body for this emailer to be sent to individuals. Click here to see how to configure reports using Twig to understand the configurations properly. You can also preview the email body from the same page under the section of Sample Mail Body and make the changes there and then. Then customize the email body message when the record limit exceeds the predefined limit to be sent in emails. Finally, hit Save to save the configurations of sent individual email for this report. Choose the PDF layout format from the drop-down menu for this report. Click Here button under the Customize PDF field to customize the PDF of this report. The new page editor that opens lets you modify the details to be added onto the PDF of this report further. Click here under the Configure cron, and as the new interface opens, select the day, month, time, and time intervals of this report, and also add the PHP custom code to execute. Hit the Save button to save these settings. Pinned to Most Used lets you toggle to Yes to add the report to the Most Used Report section. Now add, edit, or modify the data view of this report. To do so, first find and populate the view by clicking the plus icon next to the view name that you must have created before creating a report as discussed previously in the video. Check if all the fields are available in this view or not. If not, select the checkboxes before the individual fields from the given list in this view and the center of the page will automatically readjust itself. If you can't find the desired field in a given view, you also get a search fields bar where you can enter the name of the field to choose and add into the table. Also, you can rearrange the fields added as columns in the table as per ascending or descending order by clicking the up or down arrows next to each column for clearer understanding. In fact, you can overview the total number of columns or fields added into this table from the chosen view as highlighted as tabs above the table. Click on the cross mark on each tab to remove these columns instantly from the table. Once everything is finally configured, click Submit to save the report. To edit a report, go back to the Reports page, scroll to the All Reports section, and click the pen icon that appears when you hover your mouse over a report's name. This opens the Reports configuration page, where you can update fields like title, description, category, and filter by. Click the Settings button to modify advanced options like Group by, Decrypt columns, and Custom or clause. Then move on to the Views section to add or delete more fields into the given view as explained earlier. Or else, select a different view from the given list of views by selecting fields from a different view this time, and configure it the same way as explained earlier in the video. To delete a report, click the bin icon next to the pen icon while hovering. However, this bin option is typically available only to super admins. To edit the name of a report category, find the category you want to edit and click the pen icon next to its name. A prompt will appear where you can edit the category name. Save your changes to update the category. And that's it! You've now learned how to access, create, edit, and manage reports and views in uKnowva HRMS. These tools help you customize data analysis, save time, and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching.